Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I will remove this IC using soldering iron. In last video, I removed this SMD IC using hot air gun, Weller WR3M. But now, I will use soldering iron. We need soldering paste, tweezer, desolder braid, solder wire or liquid solder, alcohol, cleaning brush, sharp screwdriver. Let's start. I will hold this bolt. Apply soldering paste. When you are using soldering iron, a very special point that these ICs need specific temperature for very limited time. If you will apply high temperature for a long time, this IC will damage, or might be its tracks will damage, PCB will damage. I will apply 350 to 380 degrees centigrade for maximum 3 seconds. These ICs have epoxy in the bottom. First we will preheat for 1 second, 2 seconds, so that the epoxy will become soft. This IC is out. Use paste. I applied paste to the desolder braid and now I will heat it up. Clean it using isopropyl alcohol. The PCB pads are safe, clear, clean. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.